Hi, welcome back to Payroll UK, Payroll Made Simple. In this video, I'm going to explain the UK payslip, but before that, I'd like to share a few words about National Payroll Week. This week is special. It's National Payroll Week, and it's all about celebrating the payroll professionals and systems that make sure we all get paid on time. Every year, payroll professionals take this moment to highlight just how important payroll really is. It's not just about numbers on a payslip, and it might not always get the spotlight, but payroll is what keeps businesses running, ensures compliance with HMRC, and makes sure employees are paid correctly and on time. So let's take a moment to appreciate the role of payroll in our everyday lives. And a big thank you to all payroll professionals who work hard behind the scenes, keeping up with the rules and making sure everything runs smoothly month after month. Happy National Payroll Week. Okay, let's start looking at the UK payslip, line by line. Have you ever looked at your payslip and felt confused by all the numbers? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money is going. What is a payslip? A payslip is a document given to employees every time they are paid. It shows your gross earnings, all deductions, and your net pay. Whether it's your very first payslip, or you've been working for years, it's important to understand how your pay is worked out, because your payslip contains a lot of useful information. Let's see what's on a payslip. Your personal details such as name, address, and national insurance number. Your employer's details, including the company name and payroll reference. A payroll number, unique number to you. The payment date and pay period. This could be weekly, fortnightly, 4-weekly, or monthly depending on your contract. Your tax code, and of course, the key parts, gross pay, deductions, and net pay. Why it's important? It's important to understand your payslip to make sure you're being paid correctly and that the right deductions are being taken. If you understand your payslip, you can easily spot any errors early. It's always best to resolve mistakes sooner rather than later. Let's break it down in more detail. First, gross pay. This is your salary or hourly pay before any deductions. It also includes additional payments like overtime, commission, or bonuses. Next, deductions. These include income tax, taken directly through PAYE, based on your tax code. National insurance contributions. These fund benefits and the state pension and are calculated based on your earnings and NI category. Pension contributions. If you're in a workplace pension, both you and your employer contribute a percentage of your pay. Other deductions, such as student loan repayments or an attachment of earnings order. Finally, you'll see your net pay, the amount that actually goes into your bank account after all deductions. Most payslips will also show a year-to-date, YTD, figure. This means the total earnings and deductions so far in the current tax year, for example, 2025-26. And remember, your payslip doesn't have to be on paper. It could be emailed to you or made available online. By law, it must be issued to you on or before payday. If you have any questions about your payslip, drop them in the comments or email me, and I'll answer them in future videos. That's the breakdown of a UK payslip, so next time you get your payslip, you'll know exactly where your money's going. If you have any doubts about your tax or national insurance calculations, check the links shown here. Next video, we will look at UK tax codes and how they affect your pay. Thanks for watching. This is Payroll UK, Payroll Made Simple. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Payroll UK, and hit the bell icon so you never miss simple payroll guides. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It should not be taken as financial or legal advice. For individual payroll queries, please contact HMRC or a professional advisor.